Want to future-proof your website? Here's why accessibility is the key to staying ahead. Here's the deal. Accessibility isn't just a nice-to-have feature, it's the future of web design. And if your website's not accessible, you're already behind the times. When entering a digital age where websites must cater to everyone, from people with disabilities to those using mobile devices or voice commands, your site needs to be ready. Think about it. 15% of the world's population has a disability. That's millions of users. In fact, not to scare you, but that's actually 1.2 billion people to be precise. These people want access to your site, so accessibility is no longer optional, it's a global necessity. And as technology advances, more people expect seamless experiences online, with or without disabilities. If your website isn't inclusive, you're missing out on a huge audience. But here's the exciting part. Accessibility isn't just about inclusion, it's about creating a better experience for everyone. Here's how accessibility improves your site. By making your site accessible, it makes it easier for everyone to use, whether you have a disability or not. A simple, clear design is always a win. And guess what? Adding alt text and using proper heading structures not only helps users, but also gives your SEO a major boost. More visibility, more visitors. Bonus. Accessible websites convert better as well. When users can find what they need easily, they're more likely to stick around and complete purchases. Let's face it, accessibility is the future. It's not just a trend, it's the standard moving forward. So if you want to stay relevant, you need to get ahead of the game. In 2025 and beyond, websites that aren't accessible will become outdated and irrelevant. Laws are popping up all the time, requiring websites to meet accessibility standards. This is not just about compliance. Accessibility is about staying competitive in the digital world. If you're excluding potential customers, you're missing out on growth, revenue, and brand loyalty. Here's a few ideas to improve your website today and make sure you're future ready. Number 1, add alt text to your images. Alt text is not only crucial for accessibility, it also helps SEO, so it's a win-win. Number 2, check your color contrast. Make sure your text pops against the background. Better readability means happier users. Number 3, ensure keyboard navigation. Test your website without a mouse. Keyboard navigation is a must for accessibility. The future of web design is accessible. It's not just about the right thing to do, it's about staying ahead of the competition, boosting your SEO, and future-proofing your brand. So what are you waiting for? Start making your site accessible today, and follow me for more web design tips to keep your brand on top.